Hi guys, welcome to our next video, and in this video we'll be discussing all about Fiverr. Fiverr is basically a freelancing platform and I personally experienced on that platform. So I'll be telling you how you can start with Fiverr and what are the pros and cons of that platform, and also you'll get to know how I earned my first $40 from that platform. So yeah, it's a beginner friendly video, so do watch it and let's see what's there in this video. So guys, this is the official website of Fiverr. So those who don't know, Fiverr is a platform on which freelancer they give their services to the clients who are needing so and so services. So I am using, like, I came across this platform, you can say, an year ago, and I thought, why not just try. I came across many freelancing platforms, but I have used this one only. I'll be telling you the pros and cons of Fiverr and how I got my first gig being a beginner designer. And also, I'll be telling you other freelancing website, like my experience on so and so websites, how to place gigs and how to get clients. Probably in the initial stage, being a beginner designer, it is tough, honestly. So you have to be active on these platforms and you have to update your gigs and you have to update your profile. And other than that, let's just actually walk through the platform. So you can see this is the actual platform of Fiverr. And you can see I actually landed on this particular category, that is graphic and design, because I am under designing field. So I want to see what my competitors are building. So if you haven't done a complete research on things and you just went on this platform and selling your services, that won't work out, because you have to do a digging, like you have to done complete user research, what actually clients want and what they are actually expecting from your services. So you have to research a bit on your competitors, what they are actually selling on these platforms, like say brand style guides, logo design, even UI UX. Nowadays, NFT is very much booming. And apart from that, book design, website design, app design. So there are so many things, UX design, landing page design. So you have to actually walk through key what others are selling on this platform. Obviously, if I'll be making the same as already selling on this platform, that will be totally wastage. And I should be come up with something unique in my designs that should attract the client, and that will help you to get more and more leads on like such platforms in the initial phase. So as you can see under this category, you can see there are subcategories like logo and brand entity, web and app, visual design, architecture, fashion, packaging, and covers. They are very much into like into the industry nowadays, and even NFT art. NFT is like termed as non-fungible tokens, and probably if you're like good in something, you can see these things. These are very much different and unique, like cartoon illustrations, or you can say such arts and all, like tiger and all. So these are all very much unique. So this can actually be like sold out at very much profit. So though if you're good at that, that will surely work. And also if you're not like from a designing background, you can definitely try other things like writing and translation, even video and animation as well. Like if you're good in video and animation and video editing and all that, you can actually try your skills. And for that, obviously you have to work for some clients and you have to put your work out on this platform. And apart from that, if you're good in tech, like programming and tech, even building websites, web development, programming and all, you can definitely sell your services on this. And also under the business, if you're good in business consulting and even career counseling, HR consulting, you can definitely go. But one of the drawback I feel like on this Fiverr, there is some percentage of taxes that is deduct, And I felt that on my first order, and after that I have stopped working on this because honestly, such platforms require lots and lots of activeness, and you have to be active posting your gigs, and you have to be active reaching out to people on researching some services and how you can improve your services. But if you have time being a beginner designer, you can definitely try it out. But the one of the drawbacks I feel like, after working so much and the specific amount you're getting is like some Fiverr is deducting some percentage of commission from your like the proposal amount. So that is the one thing I feel like, but otherwise this platform is really good. Yeah, so apart from that, if you are a beginner and you feel like you don't have any skills, or maybe you have just less skills, you can definitely try their learning panel. Like there is an other platform from Fiverr, that is Learn from Fiverr, and you can actually search according to your requirements, and you can see there are ample of resources, though they are costly, like some $30, $94 and all. But definitely if you feel like you can learn, and you can actually get a, like gain a batch, and this will actually help you to win more clients. So that's the plus point. But if you really want to learn under some categories, you can definitely try some free resources as well, and I'll be making a separate video for that, key how you can start learning from free resources around yourself. Yeah, so apart from that, I'll just walk you through some of the main things which actually beginner designers have doubt in. So there's one person reach out to me stating that she needs help in setting up her Fiverr account, how actually Fiverr account works, and how actually we place gigs and reach out to clients. So I'll be covering everything in this. So you can see this is my seller dashboard, and though I have stopped working on this, but you can see here is a inbox panel, and where you can see your clients and all. But yeah, so I actually got one gig from a Fiverr, and which cost me, I guess, around you can say $40 something. And you can see I have actually withdrawn that amount. That was back in, I guess, January and all. But yeah, so one thing to mention, to withdraw your money, you have to attach to your PayPal account. For that, you have to make PayPal account, and also you can also choose an option of bank transfer, for which you have to enter your bank details. So this is the net income I have earned from this platform, that is $40. And apart from that, I have stopped working on this, but definitely if I got some time, so I'll definitely restart this and work on the updations. So yeah, so this is the gigs panel on a specific area, or you can say one of the area on which every designer has out. So you have to list down your gigs in such a way, like maximum you can actually list only 7 gigs, like not more than that. And you can see, and if you stop working on Fiverr, so it's one of the another drawback. If you stop working on Fiverr or updating gigs, or being active on Fiverr, so Fiverr automatically uh, pause your gigs, and it will not show to clients. So that is how it works. Like supposingly if I actually posted my gig, and after some, like you can say I am active a month or two, so Fiverr will automatically pause my gigs, and it will not be shown on the platform. So this is how I'll be not getting any clients. So you have to be really active and update your you can say gigs on such platforms. So you can see I have actually make these all gigs active again, just to show you that how it actually works. And also I'll be showing you whenever you place a gig. So here is an option to create a new gig, and when you click on this option, you will land onto this. This is the whole 6 steps gig making like display, where you have to show your gig title. So gig title should be very crisp, and it should be to the point. Like say, taking example of this one. Yeah, so you can say this one, like make unique and responsive web design. You can see this one. So I have actually mentioned to the point of like for this gig title, what actually I do. Apart from that, you have to select the categories and all, like under which category it falls, like graphic design, and then you have to subcategory, select subcategory, that is web design. And you have to add some tags like say website design, web design, or web mockup, or other you can say things. Now moving on to the pricing skill, pricing, like say, okay. I'll show you one example of making the gig. Like I will make unique and crisp web design. Then I have to select the category. Then I have to select the subcategory. And guys, now you can see this metadata. So metadata is like which type of website you will design. So probably it can be e-commerce, it can be educational, it can be business promotion. So I can just select three options. Now I have to mention the tags, like say build website or web design, create website and all. So it's according to you. Okay. There is another option. You have to select the platform and tool. Like platform, you can say on which platform, or you can say which tool you will use to make this design. I'll use Adobe XD. Probably I can use Wix also, or probably I can use Figma also. Okay. So one thing to mention here, Adobe XD and Figma, they are actually screen designing like tools, but Wix is the website builder. Like it provides you with some templates and you have to just drag and drop and you're good to go. But on Adobe XD and Figma, you have to design everything from the scratch. Just a quick thing to mention, like a quick difference. Now comes the second part, that is pricing. So you have to just make a three packages, like a basic package. You can say, I'll call it as a basic package. Just pardon with my mistakes and all. And I'll be describing the packaging. Like in basic package, I'll be only giving you one screen, like one screen there. Okay. Now I have to mention like a delivery time. So probably the thing to mention in the basic package, try to mention more delivery days, like say 6 days or probably 7 days. And under the premium package, you have to just showcase your best skill. Like I'll be delivering the design by 5 days, or you can say 4 days, and additional benefits. And also obviously if you add the additional benefits, you will actually asking a client a great money for that. Like say basic web design should start from 8,000 probably as a beginner designer, but it goes to 15,000 around for a single page. So number of pages, like say one in this thing. And apart from that, under the basic package, whatever you want, like obviously responsive design, no, responsive design takes a lot of time. And but if you actually apply this in premium package, it will actually attract the client, and he or she will definitely reach out to you because you are actually giving her responsive design. So those who don't know responsive design is the one which you will be making for both the desktop and the mobile screen, like for the desktop version and for the mobile version. So that is a responsive design. Responsive design means key on whichever platform, like say tablet, text, laptop, mobile phone, on whichever system you will open that website, it actually absorb the specific screen size of that particular system. Prototype as in like the, you can say animated part, like say the working of everything. When I click on contact us button, where it will reach, when I'll click this no more button, where I will reach. So that is whole the prototyping thing. Apart from that, content upload, like you will be only using lorem ipsum text, like a dummy text, or you will be using the actual content. So that totally depends on you, whichever thing you want to mention. I'm just giving you a quick overview. And apart from that, the source file should be included or not, convert to HTML and CSS will included or not. So there are plugins in Figma which will help you to convert the website to HTML and CSS. And revisions kitni hongi, like 0 revisions will be included in this basic package. Or prices, price can start from $5 and can reach to maybe $10. So yeah. Also, if you want to add some extra services, like say additional pages or extra fast delivery or other things, obviously you can like charge extra for that. But yeah, then comes the description panel. Like description panel is one of the important panel, because under the description you will be mentioning everything, what actually will be included in this web design. Like say I will include the user research. Like I will start with the user research and make wireframes for the final product. Then I will start with high fidelity web design and do the prototyping if required. Okay. Just an example of this, like what actually you will be doing. So you have to actually mention everything in this description box, what actually you will be doing, from where you have to start it and from where you will end, so that a client should have an idea ki, yes, I'll be getting these things in this specific project. Also, you can also add the frequently asked question, which you think according to this project a client can have. So probably you can add that as well. But moving on to next option is requirements. So let's see. So requirements, under requirement, it comes like get all the information you need from buyers to get started. Like say a buyer say I'll be needing a quick you can say 10 to 15 minutes of meeting, so that I'll understand the idea behind the project, what he or she will be expecting from me to build, what is the niche he or she wants me to build a web design on. So I'll be needing that. Also, I'll be needing the required logos or the typography which he or she will be like has in mind. Probably we'll be getting on a call to understand the whole purpose of the project and what she or he will be expecting from me by the end of the project ends. So you can add any of the question, like requests, like you can request necessary details such as dimensions, brand guidelines, and more. Brand guidelines may everything will be included, like say typography, logo, and it will also include the color palette as well. So yeah, so you can say I will be needing brand guidelines. Okay, and also free text. Cool. Then moves to next panel, that is the most important, where comes the gallery panel. And under the gallery panel, you can see like the image, or you can also upload the video. You can upload images like up to 3, and you can also upload only 1 video showcasing the whole previous project thing. Like say agar I have made some responsive web design and I want to showcase on this platform. So I can probably make a complete video. There is an record but like record feature also in Figma, which enables you to record the whole screen and prototyping and everything. So Figma is good to go and you can do anything. Other than that, you can also add the document, like show some of the best works you created in PDF only. You can also create a PDF like section wise. This is the home section, this is the about us section, this is the contact us section. So it's that. But yeah, so this is the whole overview, like in detail, how you can actually publish your gig. And you can see after saving this, I'll reach out to the sixth option, that is publish. And this is how I can publish my gig, and it will be visible to the clients on their platforms who will be actually seeing that specific thing. So once some client will like book your service, so you will see your orders in this panel. Under the order panel, you can see this like the chart thing, and also you can see your all earnings on by clicking on this, as I have already shown you. And you can withdraw your money by doing whichever thing you want. And I guess that's the basic and detailed thing about you should have to know about Fiverr. And I guess that's all for this video, and hope so you like this video. I'll be coming with more and more my experience of such freelancing platform really soon. And hope so you like this video. And till then, take care everyone. Bye bye.